This is my Christmas message to the great people of Kenya. My fellow Kenyans, as we prepare to celebrate Christmas and usher in the new year 2021, I extend a message of goodwill and congratulate all of you for your perseverance and resilience during this very difficult year for Kenya and indeed the whole world. Indeed, 2020 has been extremely challenging to all of us. COVID-19 has ravaged Kenya and the world since the beginning of the year, wreaking havoc to humanity through massive loss of lives as well as destruction to whole economies. Millions of Kenyans have borne the brand of devastation caused by COVID-19. Families have been shattered by loss of lives of their loved ones, and many have lost jobs and earnings. Despite the gloom, however, we have held out against all odds and kept hope alive. We have held steadfast onto the Kenyan spirit of optimism, and our trust and faith in God remains unshaken. I urge all of you, my dear brothers and sisters, to keep up the optimism, faith, and resilience as we celebrate this Christmas and usher in the new year 2021. Clearly, the worst of COVID-19 is seemingly behind us. With reports of new vaccines coming up, we can only hope for the best, and in this regard, I call upon the government to lobby for affordable vaccines that will not be out of reach of the common mwananchi. I've just had a session with the Chinese ambassador here, and I want to encourage our Ministry of Health to reach out to everybody. This problem having started in China, the Chinese are apparently ahead of everybody else, even in developing this vaccine. That is why we saw the collaboration between China, People's Republic of China, and Morocco, and United Arab Emirates. And I remember watching the leader of Dubai getting the first vaccine. Let everybody be up and about in trying to help save lives. And I thank Minister Kagwe because I've seen him saying that Kenyans will receive free vaccine. This is the way to go. Despite the good news and the vaccines, I urge you, however, not to let down your guards. COVID-19 is still with us. It continues to ravage our towns and our rural areas alike. Please do not stop wearing the masks, sanitizing, and keeping social distance. We must keep exercising these precautions until this deadly virus is fully contained. At this time, it still portends a great danger to our lives. We must stay ever alert. Given that 2020 has also witnessed heightened political temperatures arising from various by-elections, as well as Building Bridges initiative, I'm calling upon Kenyans to fully embrace the spirit of nationhood. We may differ in principle. Yes, we may even fight each other politically, but we must remember that we are Kenyans. The ideals that unite us are greater than the imaginary wars that divide us. We must never let partisan political interests take precedence over nationalism. May this Christmas inspire in us Kenyans a desire to embrace one another with love and purity of heart, fully aware that we are children of not only the great nation of Kenya, but also share a common creator. Let us renew our faith and believe in God our Maker, for a nation that abides in God's law of love shall never suffer shame amongst the community of nations. May God bless all of you. May God bless Kenya, one nation, one people.